But whatever life's fixing, it's a good day for living. Got a cool tattoo of Rosie the Riveter. If there's a good time, good chance she's in it first. Any day that I get to kissing her's a good day for living. We sneak into a motel pool at 4 a.m. and every time she smiles I say amen. One hell